Breaking news, you ain't never gonna be able to do this like me, huh? But to compound on the fracture, nowhere am I gonna be able to do what you do. I just never intended to. My competition is only ever in the mirror, as should yours be. If there is ever a calculation that is an inward look that results in insecurity, know that the catalyst is always going to be comparison.